Welcome. In this module, we're going to take a look at CIS control number 17, Security Awareness and Training, which is a very important part of the information security program, to implement a security awareness and training program for the entire organization. Now, as you can see, version 7 CIS controls, there are 20 controls, and now we've actually moved into the organizational controls, and we are talking about control number 17. Implement a security awareness and training program, and this is part of the organizational controls. This is the system entity relationship diagram, and as you can see, there's an alerting, reporting, and analytics system, and then there are workforce members, and what we are going to do is use user assessments and education plans and training plans to implement the security awareness and training program. Control 17.1 tells us, perform a skills gap analysis. Now, this is very important. Perform a skills gap analysis to understand the skills and behaviors workforce members are not adhering to, which obviously are required, using this information to build a baseline education roadmap. So you need to know what are the skills that the team needs to be aware of, and what is the education that the team needs to have in order to perform their functions, and then build a roadmap or a plan, a training and awareness plan based on the business requirements, on the type and nature of business, and the type and skill level, or the seniority of the staff and different positions of the staff. So this is all done with a skills gap analysis, and you know what the business requirements are or the skills requirement is, and then you actually go ahead and check what is the status and create a gap analysis, and you use that gap analysis to actually create a baseline education roadmap or a direction or a strategy on how you're going to implement the awareness and training. 17.2, deliver training to fill the skills gap. Now, you actually, once you've done the gap analysis and you know that what the business requirements are, what the skill requirements are to meet the business requirements, and what is the actual condition of those skills or that training or the awareness, you create the gap. You create the gap analysis results in a roadmap to fill the gaps. But now we need to implement the training to fill the gaps. Deliver training to address the skills gap identified to positively impact workforce members' security behavior. 17.3, implement a security awareness program. Now, we've talked about skills and training, but awareness is very important. Create a security awareness program for all workforce members to complete on a regular basis to ensure they understand and exhibit or practice the necessary behaviors and skills to help ensure the security of the organization. Things like passwords. You should not share your password with others. You should not store your password on a sheet under your keyboard. And other such, you should not open a spam email which offers you millions of dollars and gifts, for example. That is all spam email. It should not be opened, and it should be deleted. So these are all security measures, and we need to create awareness. And another one, for example, is whenever you get up from your workstation, you should lock out your workstation. So this is all basic steps, and the security awareness program helps to bring this information and the awareness to the attention of our staff so that they practice it. And then we have the organization security awareness program should be communicated in a continuous and engaging manner as well. 17.4, update awareness content frequently. Ensure that the organization's security awareness program is updated frequently, at least annually, to address new technologies, threats, standards, and business requirements. So it's very important that once you create the roadmap, you've done the gap analysis, you're implementing the training, you're implementing the awareness sessions. It's also important to update the awareness content frequently and make it current, and keep checking to make sure that it's effective with the help of the feedback forms, for example. That's all that we have for this session. Thank you.